Welcome to HelloSend. In this demo, I will show you how to automate meeting reminders inside Zoho CRM using HelloSend webhooks and drip campaigns. With this setup, you can automatically send SMS and WhatsApp reminders to your contacts. Search HelloSend in CRM modal list. Click the menu icon in the HelloSend panel. From the menu, go to Messaging, Automation, Webhook. Click Create Webhook to start. Give your campaign a clear name so you can identify it later. Next, select your from number. This can be either your SMS-enabled number or WhatsApp number. Now, choose the Zoho CRM module where your contacts are stored, such as leads, contacts, deals, events, and extra. Finally, select the phone field that defines which number the reminders should be sent to. Step 2. Build your campaign flow. Add your first step. Send a meeting reminder, 24 hours ahead. Immediate. Choose a message template for this step. Add a second step. Send a reminder 1 hour before the event. At each step, you can enable the option to stop the sequence if the customer replies, preventing unnecessary or duplicate follow-ups. Once you are done, click Save. Your campaign will now appear in the automation table. Step 3. Set up automation workflow rules in Zoho CRM. Copy the webhook URL from HelloSend. In Zoho CRM, go to the Setup menu, then navigate to Automation Webhook Rules. Click on Create Rule. Choose the CRM module, and name your rule clearly for later use. Click Next, and here, choose the date time. And the field is going to be the from date. Execution date is going to be 1 day before the date. Click on Next. This is going to apply to all meetings. Click on Done. Add an instant action webhook, then click Webhook. Enter a webhook a clear name so you can identify it later. Set the method to post. Paste the copied HelloSend webhook URL into the URL to notify field. Click Save and Associate, then click Save and Create Webhook Rule. Once completed, the condition-based webhook will trigger and appear in the HelloSend reports. Step 4. Track and monitor. Back in HelloSend, go to Messaging, Automation, Webhook. Here you can review the automation you created, check message delivery status, customer responses, and see performance reports in real time. And that's it. With HelloSend, you can easily automate SMS and WhatsApp meeting reminders in Zoho CRM. This saves you time, improves response rates, and keeps your sales pipeline moving smoothly. Thanks for using HelloSend.